Okay, let's talk about changing the background color of your Canva project. If you start a new project, Canva lets you start with a white background. Left click on that background and in the middle appears the option background color. On the left, you got default colors, which you can select and preview on the right. On the bottom, you have gradients, which are also some presets. On the top left, you are able to choose your own solid color. You can also type in a color code or choose a individual gradient. If you don't want to have this background anymore, just click on add a new color and on the top left, the right color again. If you want to select a picture as a background, left click on it, go to elements on the left and type in background or any color you want. Choose one picture and right click on it and set image as background. Now you have this image as the background and you're not able to move it anymore. If you want to slide it up or down a little bit to change the gradient, double click and move it. If you want to delete it, just press delete on your keyboard and you got this white background again. I hope this short video helped you, and on the top right you can see the next video how to export a transparent background in Canva.